Howdy folks, just out here cleaning the septic tank filter out for the first time. So this tank's been in use for about 12 months, and you know, basically it's time just to check it and see how things are going on the filter side, so that you don't get this backed up and then end up with a backup inside, or you know, your sewage flowing up over your riser, that type of thing. But anyways, so I actually already rinsed it out, but pretty easy process. And what I did is I got the hose over here and I actually have it hooked up to the hot water, so maybe get a little bit more you know, breakdown power of the crap in the filter. But in my case, all I do, right, is just come down here. Oh, fish it out maybe, and there you go, pull her out. And this thing, before I cleaned it out, she was filled with crap in there after a year. So I mean, it wasn't completely plugged, but it definitely was a good idea I did it before the winter here. So easy to do, rinse out. But I could imagine if you wait too long on one of these or have heavy use, you might be having to scrub some of this shit. Luckily mine all came out with just the pressure of the hot water. So anyway, so that's it. And then obviously you want to put it back in the direction of proper flow that's marked on the top, and just be real gentle with these things, especially when they're cold. You know, they're a little bit more brittle. But there she is, and that's that. And at the same time, I dumped down my monthly maintenance of septic treatment. It's debatable, you know. Some people say this stuff's a waste of money, others say it does everything. So I don't know, for how cheap that is, I just say what the hell, toss it in, right? But otherwise, easy maintenance every year, and definitely something you gotta do. You know, not every tank's gonna have one of these filters though. Depending on city codes, you know, or I shouldn't say city if you're not in there, but I should say county, state codes, you might not have one of these. New, like my other tank down here does not have one because it's older. Newer ones in the county, you gotta have one. So anyways, so that's that. But yeah, I mean, if this was getting used by say 3-4 people, that's something I would probably do in the spring and the fall. Rinse that sucker out. And I think next year I'll probably get this tank, just get it pumped, even if she's not full of solids at the bottom. But you know, it's kind of cheap maintenance in my opinion. So for $300 to get her pumped once every 24 months isn't terrible. But anyways, with that, that's all there is to it. So pretty easy. No need to pay somebody to do that nonsense. Have a good day.